Hey, what's going on, guys? Last time I created a video, it was a tutorial on the mobile app and web app affiliate campaign, but I'm going to redo it again because I ended up just merging both the two types of campaign together into one. So, if it were the case that you have a mobile app and it also has a website, instead of having it as two separate apps here in the app tab side drawer, it would just be merged together as one, which just simplifies the setup process, reduces the friction overall, and it's just a easier user experience setting it up. So I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on how to set up an affiliate app. So essentially, if you have a mobile app, if you have a website where you're selling something, iOS, Android, some type of software as a service you're selling, you can list it for free here on Affiliate O, and you pick the commission percentage that you want per sale to be given to your affiliates. And then once it's listed, anyone can become an affiliate and it'll automatically generate affiliate links for them. So here it'll show a short link, which is affiliateo.com/r/a unique ID, a username link, which is like your business name, your app, and then slash their username, a direct link. So for example, pimpl.com. It's a skincare app that I've built. If you have a landing page, you can connect it, and then therefore it allows to generate a like your domain slash referral link. So it looks a little bit cleaner. It looks a little bit nicer. I think your affiliates would most likely want to use something like that. It works the same way. It takes two or three extra steps to do, but your AI, if you're using Claude, if you're using Codex, it'll set it up for you within seconds. Disregard this. This is in case you're running ads. You can run Meta ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, Apple search ads, etc. It'll generate you extra links for different types of attribution. And it'll also generate you a QR code. So your affiliate could, if they're talking to someone in person, they could just show their QR code. Someone could scan it. It'll redirect them to the mobile app or website, whatever, depending on where you're selling things. And yeah, they could get a sale through that. They'll get the percentage through that. So this is the dashboard. As the owner, I could see all the organic sales, whether it's a trial, whether it's a renewal, subscription, and who it came from. I can see all my affiliates through here. I can see all the clicks that they're generating, see where the clicks came from. So Facebook, for example, and what countries those clicks came from as well. So United States and India. On top of that, I can customize the percentage of commission per or for each affiliate. I can do it. I can customize for one person or multiple people. But in general, if you set it to 40%, it'll automatically set everyone to 40%. Unless you customize it, you want to give like a special deal to someone. It's up to you. This access column, so this is brand new. So if you're using Revenue Cat, you got to install a little extra line of code. And if you enable it, you can give them free access. So for example, if your app is behind the paywall and you want to give your affiliate free access so they can record videos using it, I don't know, say it's a UGC creator and they do content for your app, you can either put in their email, that requires that little special snippet of code, or they can click on their own affiliate link. It'll redirect them to the app, and then that way they can get access. It'll enable them to have them the free access. But the redirect method, that does not need the special line of code. It's just to fall back the email route in case, they became an affiliate through a different email and and they want to get access through a separate email. I don't know. But yeah, here in the dashboard, you have a filter to see clicks and sales between months, years, weeks. It's up to you. So you'll also see the pending, payable, and paid. So with the pending, when they get a sale, so if it's Stripe or a few other payment processors, once they get a sale, 2 weeks later, those sales that were in pending will go to payable. And then once you pay them, it'll go to paid. You can, in the action column, it'll show up as pay. You can pay your affiliates individually, or you can click here. It's going to be a button that appears. It's going to say pay all. You can just click the pay all button and it'll automatically disperse all the funds from your wallet, because you got to top up your wallet. It'll automatically disperse into all of the affiliates that need to be paid. And so for mobile apps, if you're using RevenueCat or Adapty, there's different payment processors depending on if it's a mobile app or if it's a website. If you're using RevenueCat and an affiliate makes a sale, then it'll be in pending for the current month. And then the following month, since Apple pays out the following month, on the 1st, it then becomes payable. So after every following month, it'll become payable. And in which, once it becomes payable, you can then pay your affiliate, and then it'll end up going into the paid column. What else? Okay, so you can either share the link, this link right here. It'll copy it to a clipboard. You can share it with people. It'll redirect them here directly to this dashboard. There's going to be a button to become an affiliate. I gotta sneeze. I guess not. Once they click the button, they'll have to log in. It'll redirect them to the login page. Once they log in, it'll redirect them back, and then they can become an affiliate. But it basically just reduces the friction of taking them to the landing page first and then coming here after login. But I thought it'd be a little bit better, so I set it up that way. So they'll automatically see all this data. And so let me go through the steps for creating. So you want to go to the App Store. You're going to click affiliate. It used to be mobile app affiliate if it was just a mobile app, and separately it was a web app affiliate, but now I've combined it into one. And so here you have a little preview of what it's going to look like in the Discover page. You can click here, and you can type in your app name, test. You can select the category. It's up to you, whatever category, lifestyle, tech, and software. You can put in the app thumbnail, or if it's an iOS app, you can enable iOS. You put in the link here. Once you validate, it'll automatically grab your app icon and put it into the thumbnail, just to speed things up if you want to. You put in the description. You can put the Google Play Store. So there's a smart redirect feature where if you have an app that's in both iOS and Google Play, when the affiliate shares their link and a customer clicks on that link, it'll automatically check if that customer is on their iPhone or if they're on a Android device. So it'll redirect them accordingly, depending on the device that they're on. If they're on a web, like a desktop, then it'll just redirect to the iOS store. And so that being said, it would be beneficial if you had the app in both the iOS store and Android store. So instead of having to generate two separate links, if you want them to go to the Apple store or the Google Play store, it's just one link, and now it just automatically redirects them. So it saves you from needing two separate links, which is pretty cool. You can put it in your landing page here too. And then if you put in your landing page, that's the feature the auto direct feature where it generates you that clean landing page affiliate URL link for your affiliates. And I'll get more into that. So then you go into your payment provider, RevenueCat, Stripe, Google, and Apple in-app purchases, the native payment, or Adapty for mobile. And then you would just click connect RevenueCat. You need a URL in order to connect it, but it would just redirect to the RevenueCat page and you just connect it. You click your commission for your affiliates, or you could click a flat fee if you want to do like $1 per conversion. It's up to you. So the cool thing about this is that when you click the commission type and you put in, for example, 20%. So once the affiliate makes that sale, they get the 20%. Now, if the customer renews the next month, or if it's a yearly or if it's a weekly, the affiliate would get that 20% recurring as long as the customer is paying, whether it's weekly, as long as they continue their subscription, the affiliate would get the same percentage. Now, if you change it, because you can go into edit and then edit the commission, that same customer stays at that 20%. It gets locked in as long as they're subscribing. If you were to decrease it down to 10%, then the future customers that affiliate gets would get the 10%. And so the old one will still stay locked in at the 20%. So it's customizable. You can edit it. I think it would be beneficial if you told your affiliates that you're maybe reducing it or increasing it. It's up to you. You are the business owner. You are the app owner. So you do as you please. Now, the max, if it's an iOS app, the max is 70% because the Apple Store takes 30%. So I set the max to 70% and the lowest is 1%. And so also when you connect RevenueCat, it's going to load up all your products that you're selling. So if you have a monthly, it'll show up there. You can edit the monthly as well. If you have a weekly, it'll show up there as well. It'll stack up all the products. I'll show you guys in a bit. Oh, I can show you right now, actually. So I'll go to PIMPL, edit app. And I connected my RevenueCat account and it'll show all the products and I can customize each one, custom per product. So they're all set to 40% because I have the same for all products selected. But if I wanted to customize it, I can change each one to be like 10%, 20%, 30%, 35%. It's up to you. You can put requirements here. If you have special requirements like, oh, I need you to post this type of content, you can put it there. FAQs, in case anyone asks the same thing, it'll show up in your dashboard for all your affiliates or anyone just visiting the dashboard. And these are just different codes. So React Native, Swift, Kotlin, Flutter, Vanilla.js, there's multiple SDKs. And now with the landing page setup, it'll show it here. You can essentially just copy it and give it to your AI and it'll set it up for you within seconds. It's pretty basic. Also, you can go into the API section, generate yourself an API key, and let your AI, whether it's Claude or Codex, it'll connect to the MCP and it'll have access to all this information. It'll know everything. It can grab all the tools available and set it up for you. So you have to, you just have to prompt. You don't even have to do any type of physical work at this point. I've made it as easy as possible so that you can set it up within minutes. Obviously, you install the SDK into your mobile app. If you're setting up a mobile app, you're going to have to wait for the App Store review, which should take about a day. But here you can see the preview. This is what it looks like in the edit. I can disconnect it and then reconnect the different, payment provider. It's up to you. Let me go back to create the App Store affiliate. And that's essentially it. That's basically it. Oh, and so you set the commission type to 20% and you do the math with the rest, how you want to set it up. But if it's an affiliate led sale, there's a 1% fee on that affiliate led sale. So even if it's an organic sale, meaning that they did not come from an affiliate link and the customer didn't purchase coming from the affiliate link, then organic, there's no fee for that. It's just on the affiliate led sales where the 1% fee, the 1% platform fee is applied. And another thing, one final thing that I think is pretty cool, which could benefit a lot of people. So let's say an affiliate makes a sale and the customer ends up doing a refund. If it were the case that a refund happened, then it would get subtracted from the amount that the affiliate has earned, because it wouldn't make sense for you to have to pay the affiliate and the customer ended up doing a refund or a chargeback. So it does detect chargebacks, it does detect refunds, but at the end of the day, if it's detected and a chargeback happens, then it gets subtracted from the affiliate so that you don't have to pay them. That's another cool feature. And on top of that, if it's refunded or charged back, then the platform fee gets subtracted as well. Like you don't have to pay the platform fee. It does make sense. I know that some platforms, if a chargeback or refund happened, then you still have to pay the fee. Like that doesn't make sense to me. Maybe I'm just not thinking right. Maybe there's a method to the madness. I don't know. But yeah, as for now, it gets reduced because it doesn't make sense for you to have to pay the affiliate or the platform fee if it gets, refunded or charged back. Let me make sure here that your affiliate and yourself could check clicks, sales, revenue. You get a set of links as well. You get a set of QR codes as well. And yeah, there's a bunch of different apps here on the App Store. I'll probably make videos on the Google ads, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Meta ads, Apple search ads. And then once you've set up an affiliate app, right, for your mobile app or web app, you can track in real time here who's going on your app. So if I were to open my PIMPL app, the skincare app, I'll click on that. I'll go to the app, and in real time, you'll see me pop up there in the map. So you can track all the customers that are on your website or on your mobile app in real time. Here, it'll show where they came from. They could have come from Instagram if the affiliate link was in Instagram. It'll show up the affiliate. It's organic because I came here manually. I didn't come from an affiliate link. It'll show the device, it'll show the country, and it'll show the app, because if you have multiple apps listed here, it'll show all of them for you. You also got funnels. So if you have multiple onboarding pages prior to them getting to the paywall, then you could track where your customers are falling off so that you could get some valuable insights, some pretty cool data on seeing how to improve. Maybe you need to improve one of your onboarding pages. Maybe you need to delete it. Maybe you need to add more. It's up to you. Maybe there's a bug and it's not allowing people to pass over to the next page. It's up to you. But I think it's a pretty cool feature. Also, you could see where they're coming from and which affiliate made them come. You can add the pages here. And through the MCP, again, with your API key that you can generate here, through the MCP, it'll set it up for you so you don't have to do a damn thing. I'm thinking about adding a few more data points to help you out. And then on top of that, if you need to talk with your affiliates, you got a chat room here. You can chat with your affiliates. You can make it private. You can make it private with you and your teammates. You can add team members here. or you can put it behind a paywall so that if they're subscribed to you, which I made a different video for that, you create a product here natively on Affiliate O. You can put it behind that product, whether it's a subscription or a one-time payment. You could put it behind a paywall, and if they're subscribed, they have access to the chat room. It's up to you. Or if they're subscribed, they can have access to the tracking. It's any way you want to set it up. And say you have multiple apps set up, you can view all your affiliates from here. So for all your apps, so that it'll show the payoff for all your apps. If you have multiple apps, you can pay them here. And as far as affiliate app, yeah, that's basically it. So the way I think about it is that either you yourself can promote your app, or you can invite people here to become an affiliate for your app, and you can have 10 affiliates, 100 affiliates, 1,000 affiliates, 10,000. Imagine 100, 1,000, 10,000 different people promoting your app every single day, just putting out content. The algorithm is going to be showing it to absolutely everyone. If you got 10,000 pieces of content showing every day, or 1,000 or 100 or even 10, you know. And why would they be promoting it? It's because they're earning that commission that you've set up. It's guaranteed that they'll get that commission. So, you know, at the end of the month, you're going to have to pay them. If you don't pay them, then your app is just going to get taken offline. But I think this will help a lot of businesses, mobile apps, iOS apps, Android apps, websites. I think it's going to help them scale significantly. And the platform fee is only 1%. And the fee is only applied to affiliate-led sales. If it's organic, doesn't count. If it's refunded, if it's charged back, it's you don't pay that fee. It gets refunded as well. And yeah, I hope to see people benefit from this. The fee was at 5%. I reduced it down to 1%. I hope you guys enjoy. And if you have any questions, you can hit me up on Twitter. You can hit me up on Instagram. Leave a comment on YouTube, Facebook. I live stream on Kick. It's up to you. If you have any recommendations, let me know, and I will highly consider your recommendations. Thank you. See you guys.